What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel Work Plus Gain. We about to get into this home workout with some dumbbells. Find some dumbbells that are heavy. You don't have to do the same kind that I have, but you need to find some heavy dumbbells because we're going to do this quick workout. It's going to give you a pump. It's going to be about time under tension, hypertrophy. So we're going to really get this pump going, and you're going to see it after I get done working out. You're going to see my body, so you can see me flex. I'm trying to flex, and you'll see the difference at the end. All right, so let's get to it and try not to rest. We're gonna do these workouts and keep moving, but I'm gonna show you what I mean. Reverse it. Go the opposite direction. You win. Straight up down. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. Gotta move your hand like a riding motorcycle. Go back inward. Doing vice grips. You're squeezing something. So let it get to your fingertips and roll it back up, pull it back up. So I have my hands this way, but technically what I'm doing this, the weight. My fingertips, and I pull it up. But normally I do it this way. I'll do this for y'all see more. Now, next one, y'all gotta be careful with, because you're gonna rock it, the weight in your hands, back and you swing it back and forth. Don't do it aggressively. Control it. Just go back and forth to really target that wrist. Go on third. I do have workouts where you don't have to do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sets. You can just go one set all the way through, but it's time and attention. How long you're on attention for, how fast you get back to the workout. That's the key to getting that pump real fast too. All right, bent over. The bent over rows I had at my side, you can have it this way if you want. Ooh. I didn't do it that way because I'm about to do chest flies, but instead of being upward, you're gonna do bent over chest flies, but instead technically you call them back flies. I might have did that workout already, I just can't remember for sure, but I did it again. They do this one. Everybody do these squats. So yes, this is pretty much like a full body workout real quick. Just get this done and over with so you can continue about your life, your day. You can be advanced, intermediate, beginners. I gotta do 15 calf presses. Now do the double. Ooh. Trust me, don't sleep on this workout. You'll feel it. Almost there. Time to work on the abs, obliques. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I'm feeling it. All right, let's keep going. Woo. Say you're gonna try to keep hopping into the next one. If you need 15, 10-second break, go ahead, but if you wanna rest too long, all right, good with push-ups. Knocked it off with 100 push-ups. Whew. All right, y'all see the difference in the body. Y'all see the gain. Ooh, my arms feel light, but heavy. All right, I love y'all, family. Thanks for all the love, the likes, the shares. Please commenting. Please keep on commenting. Please keep on sharing. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers and help watch my videos and put out there to the world. I love y'all. Let's get it.